Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling how to edit Google Drive files in 2025. Google Drive has become an essential tool for millions, offering seamless editing for documents, spreadsheets, and presentations right from your browser or device. Whether you're a student collaborating on a project or a professional tweaking reports on the go, this guide will have you editing like a pro in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're signed into your Google account. Head over to drive.google.com or open the Google Drive app on your phone or tablet. Once you're in, you'll see all your files organized neatly. To edit a file, simply click on it. For example, if it's a Google Doc, it will open in the Docs editor, which is super intuitive and updated with 2025 features like enhanced AI suggestions for grammar and formatting. Now, let's go through the basics of editing. Start by selecting the text or element you want to change. Use the toolbar at the top for formatting, bold, italicize, change fonts, or add images with just a few clicks. In Google Sheets, you can edit cells, apply formulas, and even use the new 2025 data analysis tools to visualize trends automatically. For slides, rearrange slides, add animations, and collaborate in real time. One cool tip: enable offline editing in settings so you can work without internet and sync later. That's a game changer for productivity. Collaboration is another highlight. Invite others by sharing the file and granting edit access. You'll see changes in real time with comments and suggestions popping up instantly. Remember to save versions to track changes. It's easy. Just go to File, Version History. This way, you can revert if needed without any hassle. To wrap it up, editing files in Google Drive is straightforward, efficient, and packed with features for 2025. Practice these steps, and you'll be a master in no time. If you have questions or want more tutorials, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.